under your Appearance and Themes menu, on top here, click on Add New. Then search the word Sydney and click Install. Then click Activate. Alright. Next, let's go ahead and install the plugins that are required by this theme. You have two plugins, 1 and 2. So let's click on Begin Installing Plugins link here. Click Install. Return and activate. Next, click Install the second plugin and return and activate. Good. Next, you will see a message box here. So let's just go ahead and click on Get Started with Sydney. This is the page where it teaches you how to get this Sydney theme to work on your website. These are the steps. So let's go ahead and follow these steps. First, implement recommended actions. Click on this link. So far we have installed the plugins that are required. Next, let's go ahead and install the demo content. Click on this button, Install and Activate. Then click on Activate Plugin. It essentially installs a one-click demo import plugin for you. You'll find the plugin over here. Now return to that Get Started page. Again, back to this. And this time we have to click on this button, go to the Automatic Importer. Click on it, and here you get to import the demo data. What it means by demo data is all this sample data to load on your theme. Now it's always recommended to have all this demo data inside so that you get the idea of how to customize this theme later. Go ahead and click on Import Demo Data, and let's just wait for it to finish. This may take a while, so your patience is highly appreciated. Okay, the importing has complete. However, we are seeing some warnings here, so these are just warnings, not errors, so it's safe to ignore them. Let's go ahead and view our newly installed Sydney theme. I will go to localhost/WordPress, or you may access the domain name or the URL where you install your WordPress and press Enter. So this is the newly installed theme. Looks pretty nice. You'll notice that the site title and the tagline may be different than yours. This is because I've defined my site title to be this and my tagline to be this. And this is the pre-installed menu that comes with this theme.